Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing our November palette of the month. Woo! For this month, I chose to do the Gemini palette. I had to think way back and I was like, which palette from Mel have I already done?
And I have the Smoke Obsession one.
Yeah, I have that one too.
Yeah.
This one retails you $58 if you want to buy it. You can get it at Sephora and on their website. It's cruelty-free and vegan, except for the shade Bonnie, which is the black in here. It is not vegan.
And so for my palette, I'm diving into the ABH Norvina Volume 2 palette, and I love it. So this retails for $60 on their website, on Sephora's website, and Norvina just announced that she is now a household name in Sephora.
It's nice packaging though. I like them. I wish I wanted them more than I do.
You can always borrow them.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I already primed my eyes with the Mirabella eyeshadow primer.
I'm gonna go with Urban Decay Original. And I like that the mirror is really good. I'm just gonna use this mirror, honestly.
I'm actually gonna go in with, I guess I'll knock the Bonnie shade out first because it's got the most kind of fallout. I'm gonna take the Sephora Pro 14 and we're gonna apply it in this outer corner here with my little strip.
I'm gonna do some fun colors.
I hope so. Like, what are you gonna do? The two fucking browns in there?
I don't know. All right, so for this, we're gonna go in with C4, which is a really nice, like a dark teal blue. I really like Melt's formula. They're really good. Like their metallics are so
They should have called them Meltalics. Even though I know it'd probably be kind of spelled the same way. I'm gonna go with Fire OG, like one of my favorite greens in the palette.
Let's do A3.
Last shade is gonna be Mochi.
I'm going in with C1. And then I need liner for this look. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Numero Uno BFF liner.
Just doing a little bit of black liner, and this is the KAJAL VASANTI Waterline eyeliner in intense black. And we're gonna do the TRESTIQUE Good Vibes mascara.
Okay, let's go back in with some mascara.
All right, well, my mascara is dry. I'm gonna jump into lip, which is gonna be Baby Bat, and this is in Rogue. I'm gonna do some lashes real quick. These are actually from an affiliate brand of ours. This is from MISFIT Beauty Co. These are the SYKE lashes. They're actually really pretty up close because they have a little green tint on some of the ends. Y'all won't see that shit, but I'm seeing that shit.
Is it Fast Times?
Yes, Fast Times is the code.
So this is a Too Faced Coconut Lipstick. So this is in the shade Strip Search. I got this from a friend, Ariel. Thank you so much. And then this is the iconic Lip Plumping Gloss, which came in the BoxyCharm. So this is our look for our
November palette
of the month. Blanked. Totally blanked.
It's always a hard time when we're filming half October, half November.
Yeah, I was gonna say makeup artist, and I was like, no, because I was looking at a picture.
Oh my god. We're gonna go ahead and jump into closest for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video today. We hope that you subscribe, enjoyed our family, and follow us on our social media. It's all sugar and spice _ makeup. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye. Bye.